And as you just heard from Grants, driving out there is dangerous this morning. Right now, parts of the metro getting pounded with snow and wind, and it's going to continue for the rest of the morning. News 13's Madison Connor live at Eubank and Comanche with a look at the road conditions in that area. Good morning, Madison.
Good morning, Crystal. Yeah, that wind is still brutal out here this morning, and it has created some dark intersections around here. Now, we have a lot of dark intersections, like as you can see behind me, and we have APD is out helping direct traffic where they can. Now, 40 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts are being reported, and it caused one transformer to blow and is currently on fire on Eubank and Lomas. Fire crews have been responding to fires on electrical lines all morning long. So far this morning, we have seen 8 transformers blow in front of us, and lights are back up and running in a few spots. But at last check, PNM is reporting more than 19,000 people around the state are without power, and snowplows are out here getting anything that does stick out of the way. We have heard lots of honking already here at our intersection here, just because people are not really paying attention, and I think that's why the APD is out kind of helping people direct. Now, make sure if you do come across a dark intersection like this one, you do stop, treat it as a four-way, and make sure you respect everyone else that's out on the road this morning. Back to you.